How's everyone on the internet doing today? Anyway, I just wanted to make a quick book recommendation, mostly for beginners, but it's a good enough book to where intermediate and advanced practitioners could get a lot out of it. And it's Basic Psychic Development by John Friedlander and Gloria Hemsher. And pound for pound, this is probably the best spiritual instruction book I own. And I got this copy for about $7 on eBay. And as far as what it can do for you, if you actually put in the time to work through it, it's better than, I mean, it's better than limited edition grimoires that are worth hundreds of of dollars. I have a couple of grimoires that are worth about $1,000, and this book pretty much puts all of them to shame. Especially if you're the type of person that can take a technique and be creative with it, tweak it, and make it your own. If you're a creative person, you can take this book and just do so much with it. By far, it's the best book on psychic development that I found, and it's the best book for spiritual practice that I found. Um, I can't say enough good things about this book. So I wanted to do a quick recommendation, kind of review about it, and and like I said, I got this for $7 on eBay, and the content in it, and especially if you're actually put in the work and work through it every day for about a year, this is a book that can basically take anyone on their spiritual journey and basically put them at about a black belt level in about a year. I can't say enough good things about this book. Hands down, bar none, this is probably one of the first books you should work through. And it doesn't matter what kind of journey you're on. If you're a like white magician, black magician, new ager, it doesn't matter. Energy healing, it doesn't matter. This is a book that will take you really far. And I'll probably make a couple more videos later on going into more detail about some of the techniques in it. But definitely get out there and look for a copy. It's worth paying full price for. But like I said, I got mine for $7, and it honestly it's worth over $100 what it can do for you. So I wish you guys all the best of luck on your journey, and definitely check this book out. And have a lovely day.